It's Friday, another day, another many truckloads of earth moving. We got 4 more truckloads of dirt today, and this backhoe is moving non-stop. We're boarding a train to go to Rome, to the Vatican, right, Rome. The carne asada burrito in the Philippines. Her wish was for us to feed the children in our community, and that's what we're doing now. Now I have over 1,000 installs. I'm one of the top earners in the company. This is my powered life. You guys remember the 2 truckloads of dirt, the 40 metric tons of dirt that was sitting right here in front of the road? It's gone in just a few hours. This is how we did it. This backhoe is a workhorse. He cleared this whole thing in a couple hours, and now he's taking the dirt and dumping it inside into the perimeter of the house. Amazing. What an efficient way to get things done. This is how you get shit done. Now we really got to get going. Now the operator is taking out that trunk of coconut tree that's dead in the ground, and he's trying to take it out from its roots because it's in the way. It should take him about 30 minutes to do this, but if we were to have people do this by hand, it will take two guys 1 whole week just to remove this trunk from the ground. And this guy will do it soon, in about half an hour of work. Still cheaper than have to pay 2 people a week's salary to do this. This reminds me of my childhood days playing with Tonka heavy equipment, toys. These are big boy toys. I am back at the site. It's Thursday and we have help. Remember the pile of dirt that used to be here? It was going to take us over a week, maybe 2 weeks to move that by hand. 1 wheelbarrow at a time, shovel by shovel. So we rented a backhoe, and that whole pile is gone in just 4 hours. So this is one of the best things we've done. As you can see, he is successfully moving the dirt on top of the to bring it to the floor level. This thing is fast. It's amazing watching this. It's Friday, another day, another many truckloads of earth moving. We got 4 more truckloads of dirt today, and this backhoe is moving non-stop. You can see the dirt that's been filled. That's been filled. We're starting to fill this. That whole area in the back has been filled. Even back here, we moved dirt back here. So things are progressing. One scoop at a time. One scoop at a time.